Installing a mosaic is a simple process if you have the right tools and instructions. Start by carefully slicing the outer packaging and remove the layers of packaging. Unroll your mosaic and set the extra tiles inside the tube aside. You might need them in case there is any fallen stone from the mosaic. Now it is time to measure the placement of your mosaic. When it is in the desired position, outline your mosaic with a pencil for a better placement. Now, you can remove the protective plastic backing but keep the mesh. Using your towel, begin by spreading your thin-set mortar to cover the entire installation area. Using the notched trowel, even out the thin-set before placing the mosaic over the thin-set mortar properly. With the grout float, apply pressure evenly on the mosaic to assure that it is adhered properly. Then clean up any excess mortar from the sides if needed. If there are any stones that have fallen out, you can use the extra tiles in the tube. Cut them with the tile nipper to fit the missing ones and glue them similarly. If you are installing your mosaic as a wall insert or any vertical surface, you might need to place some small finish nails between the stones to keep the mosaic in place. Once the mortar is properly dry, it is time to grout your mosaic. Grout is only a must if the mosaic is being installed as a kitchen backsplash in wet areas like bathrooms, floors, and outdoors. It isn't necessary to grout a mosaic if it's indoors, dry areas. Based on the colors of the mosaic, you can use a neutral unsanded grout color like beige, a dark gray charcoal to display contrast, or the dominant color of the mosaic for a coherent look. Follow the mixing instructions from the manufacturer and apply some grout as shown. Using a grout float, press the grout into the grout lines evenly. Then use a damp sponge to clean the surface from the hazing. Repeat the process as many times as needed to eliminate any haze. Then apply a good quality stone color enhancer. Your installation is now complete and you can admire your mosaic forever.